Sorry, wait. This is my jaw. I'm not laughing.
What is the strongest creature in the pond? A mussel? Why is the mushroom always invited to the party? Because he's a fun guy. Hey Heather, did you know that a white-tailed deer can jump higher than the average house?
What?
Yeah, it's due to their powerful hind legs and the fact that the average house can't jump. How do you catch a squirrel? You climb a tree and act like a nut. What falls in the winter but never gets hurt? Snow!
Everybody asked, what does the fox say? Nobody asked, how does the fox feel? Soft.
Why is grass so dangerous? Because it's full of blades. What is brown and sticky? A stick. Why don't eagles tell knock-knock jokes? Because freedom rings.
Hey Beth, would you ever try the acorn diet?
No way, that's nuts! What do you call a fish with no eyes? Fish. Hey, how do you start a fire with 2 sticks?
Make sure one of them's a matchstick.
Ba-doom-ching.